everyone. My name is Eda, and I'm the business development lead at Angelic. And that was a great intro, actually. I'm really proud to be introduced like this. And I hope you will like our game. Tonight I'm going to be talking about little upcoming new features and who are we, basically. But before, I really want to thank the Saga team, because we have been working closely together for this event. And I know how much effort they put into this, and it looks awesome as well, I guess. So I'm really happy to be here. I'm not only representing the game, I'm not only representing Angelic today, but I am also representing our game creator, who couldn't be here today. So I have a little bit extra responsibility on my shoulders now. So yeah, let's start with who are we? What is Angelic and what are we doing? Okay. Yeah, let me go here. It's a hybrid strategy RPG game in a dark sci-fi universe where you can control your heroes, and all these heroes, besides the deep lore, the deep story, deep narrative, all these heroes have their distinct personalities and abilities. There is RPG components, but there are turn-based battles as well in the game. You can discover the world, interact with them, and explore, connect with them, who they are. There's PvP and PvE modes. You can play with your friends, against your friends, and also you can play against AI, basically. And as I said, our combat mechanism is already sophisticated, but we are implementing more physical interactions. All the visuals are both modes, high quality visuals, cinematic visuals, and we have dynamic physics and destructible meshes, which creates an even more sophisticated combat experience when the game is in the turn-based combat mode. So, this is who we are, and we're creating a beautiful game. Yeah, and we launched our open alpha 10 days ago, and we were 3 days in a row at the top trending on Steam, which is actually, if you consider that we have optional blockchain features and we get backlash from the traditional gamers, this is a really big thing to be top trending there on Steam. And I want to talk about the upcoming features. So most of these features will be only announced here. We have never talked about this before, and there's a killer one, last one. We're really super excited about this. But let's start with the first one, the mothership. The mothership is basically a place where your heroes, you can hang out, and here you can customize your heroes, maybe change their skins. We have different skin variations, which are completely actually cosmetic items. It doesn't give any advantages as NFTs whatsoever. So this is where your heroes can hang out, and we move forward on onboarding missions. So this actually onboarding missions are designed to create this RPG experience, because now when you go and play the game, start playing the game, it's more you feel the turn-based combat qualities of the game, but there's an RPG combat as well. So here, what we designed these missions to give a bit of the sense of the game to the players, what they can do with their heroes. They can interact with the Angelic universe, as well as, of course, there will be combats, and when there is a mission like that, it switches to the turn-based combat. So this is another feature that we will be implementing very soon. And this is the most exciting feature, let's say, because this has been in the works for many, many years. Our game has started being created in 2016. And this work that I'm going to show is behind the scenes. We've been cooking this. And this is important for us because we really give a lot importance into our heroes. We want the audience to connect with these heroes. That's why they have so deep stories behind them. If you go and read their stories, you can actually have a connection with them, and you can understand where they're coming from, what they like, what they don't like. There's a whole narrative behind it. So the heroes are really super important. We want the players to connect with them. Our game creator always says, like, in the future, I want my players to name their kids after our heroes. So in such connection, we really give importance to this feature, and to create this like expressions, to be able to create the realistic heroes. Okay, our visuals are super high-end, everybody loves our visuals whatsoever, but creating this real-life expressions, this is something else, right? And we have been working on this. We've been putting a lot of time in this. And okay, so this is Aurora, and this is one of our heroes. She is one of like we love all the heroes equally. We don't pick one another over the other one, but Aurora is like one of our famous heroes, basically. And I'm gonna let her talk about this like upcoming feature and what we have been doing behind the scenes. This is an in-game real-time footage. It's not like a cinematic artwork.
Aurora here. I'm reaching out from my new metahuman form, designed to enhance my immersive interactions with you. So, who wouldn't want to chat with me freely, beyond the limits of static dialogues? Soon.
Okay, well, that is what we're achieving here. This is the connection that we're creating and aiming to create. And we are doing this, of course, with the support of our backers, our supporters, and they always believed in us because we have optional blockchain features, and we never gave away the actual gameplay. We never gave away that dream. And our backers and our supporters, they believed in us, basically, because we could have sold like NFTs, and we could have find a way to utilize that, like monetize that aspect, but we haven't done that, and we're working on creating this immersive, realistic experience. And thanks to our partners, our backers, our strategic partners. And with this, actually, we want to show the traditional players as well that blockchain is not like something scary that you have to be staying away from, because there's a lot of misunderstandings and prejudgments around this. So with this feature, with this type of applications, we want to show that you can utilize this awesome, actually, technology. Besides, like Rebecca was saying, we all know about the ownership aspect, but like you can use it in many other different ways, right? And of course, Unreal Engine helps like this creation happen, but NVIDIA as well is one of our strategic partner. And so therefore, how are we going to utilize the blockchain with this, right? We created a cloud system, Angelverse AI cloud system, which is, like, to begin with, I have to tell this, the community aspect is really, really very at the core of our being. It's really important for us. So, and if you think about a community, what is a basic human need? We want to be accepted. We want to be a part of a community. We want to be acknowledged. We want to be heard and seen. And how we are implementing this is to create a community that can contribute, that in the end will benefit the rest of the community as well. And AI cloud system is designed to work like this. Basically, it is designed to use the idle GPUs of the contributors. Then the players, of course, you know the AI is a very high demanding thing, and it's not easy to do all these, use all these features with a regular computer, and not everyone has this powerful computers. So what we designed to create this collective cloud where people can contribute, and in the end of this contribution, whoever wants to use this, experience this dialogue with Aurora, they can trigger this cloud and they can use the computing power, basically. And then everyone can have access to this kind of connection with the characters, and everybody will be contributing to it. Okay, and before I wrap this up, I'm gonna show you our trailer, which is with a note. Our trailer was published on IGN, which is actually a big thing for blockchain title, like because IGN is not doing that. Maybe like a couple of games on the blockchain were published there before. Maybe sometimes they use their sister channel whatsoever. So this is a really big deal for us to be published on IGN, and I'm gonna leave you to watch our trailer.
Rise and fall, only to rise again.
Maybe we are not ready for this.
I know. Bring my son back and gather the angels.
All right, ladies. Bombshells, old farts, lovebirds. My dear crew, we have been failing frequently. It is clear we are not ready for what is to come.
You mean you? You keep dying every fucking time, you idiot.
Shut up and keep attending your fingernails.
Enough! Travel to the Chaos Theater. Learn how to act as a team. How to fight. How to survive. Space is full of terror and tragedy. Yet, you must explore it. Learn how to lead. Endure as a team, or die alone.
Well, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and thank you for being here. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer. I'm going to be there. And also, if you want to try the game, we have the game set up there on the computer, so please do so, and you can find me there. Have a nice evening. Enjoy. Thank you.